My YouTube channel was gone, my Google account was locked, and I was staring at the screen, realizing I'd been hijacked. It was a total nightmare, and finding a way to actually talk to a human at Google required more detective work than a Sherlock Holmes novel. I managed to claw my channel back in just 4 days, but the path wasn't obvious. Most of the so-called standard recovery advice you see online is a dead end. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what failed for me and, more importantly, the fastest way to actually get a response from Google so you can stop panicking and start recovering. First, I'm gonna show you what didn't work out for me at all. Since I'm a YouTube Premium user and I also have a Google One Premium account, I thought that, well, since I'm a Premium user, for sure there is some support channel I can use. So I googled YouTube Premium support contact. Well, what do you know, there is a contact us link. But unfortunately, there is nothing useful here. Maybe you would like to send them the fax, but other than that, no use of it all. So what else do we have here? YouTube help, this one here, just a documentation page, nothing you can do here besides posting your topic to the help community and nothing else. Then I thought maybe there is a Gmail related help somewhere, but nope, the same problem here. Next, I thought, well, there is a chat option on my YouTube Studio. Maybe I can use this one here, so let's use it. Something else. And as you see, I am able to open up a chat. I described my problem here, but they weren't able to help me, and they sent me a link where I could report the suspected channel hack to their support team. So I filled all the fields here, sent it away, and they sent me a copy of this chat. And then I started to wait. 24 hours later, I hadn't received any reply, and since I was already anxious, I looked at other ways to make it work. Next, I went to the Twitter. I looked for a Google as a last hope, sent them a direct message, but nothing happened because most likely they receive thousands of direct messages every day. So as you see, 9 days later, nothing has happened. Next, what I did is what somebody on Reddit suggested, that is go to the Twitter and tag the team YouTube and ask for the help. So this is what I did. This is my tweet. I said that my channel was hacked yesterday, all recovery details and passwords were changed, and I can no longer access the account. I'm reaching out to you directly to get the issue resolved. Please let me know the next steps. And now what happened is Team YouTube replied to me 3 minutes later with a direct message. They asked me to send the Gmail or G Suite email address that I have the access to because they need to contact me using this email. So I sent my alternative email, and now what did they do? They sent me this link here, and they said that you now have access to the account recovery form with my alternative email. Log in to the specified account, follow the link and fill out within the next 48 hours. As you see, I sent them the message 5:14 p.m. and 20 minutes later this reply came, so they were really fast. Now I opened up the link, filled all the fields with my channel IDs and all other information, sent it away and told them that I have completed the form, and then Team YouTube on the Twitter said that somebody will contact me via email within 1 business day. And it took approximately 20 hours until the next reply. Somebody called Catherine contacted me. She sent me a confirmation that they have reviewed my channel and they can confirm that it was hijacked. All the changes that the hijacker did to my account are described here, but they told me that I need to go to the account recovery page and try to recover it. When this doesn't work, here is the special account recovery page. When I click on it, now I can enter my email or phone number and I can recover it. They told that I need to answer as many questions to my best knowledge or click try another way. For me, there were no questions to be seen, so I just tried another way. entered my alternative Google account recovery email, and also I told them that I need more help. This was my reply. I told them that I tried all the steps from 1 to 4, and here's the current situation. I still don't have an access to my email. My YouTube channel has been deleted. My daughter's email has been deleted. Some YouTube channel related issues, and that I have lost my access to YouTube Premium and other Google services. Next day I received an email from the same Catherine that they have escalated my case to the account recovery specialists. Then approximately 45 minutes later, they told me that they have regained access to my account and they have sent the reset link to my email. It's valid for 7 days. This was the email. I was able to go and reset the password and update my recovery options. When this was done, I wrote them that I was able to get my Google account back, but I still need help to restore my YouTube channel because it was deleted either by the hacker or by the YouTube team itself. So everything was working except my channel, and later I found out it was suspended because the hijackers uploaded 21-hour long video about cryptocurrency. I answered to some questions. I sent my IP address, my location, and what were the changes I saw I couldn't fix myself and I needed some help. So this was on Tuesday, that is 2.5 days after the initial hacking incident. So Catherine told me that they have forwarded my answers to the specialists. Next 24 hours later, I did not see any progress, so I wrote again that unfortunately 24 hours later I haven't received any updates about my channel, and I did not receive any email, but 20 minutes later I saw that my channel was back again. I wrote them an email asking that could you update me on how the recovery project is going. I noticed that my YouTube channel is live again, but I haven't gotten any confirmation email. 3 hours later, person called Ionela wrote me that everything was working again, sent me a bunch of links, what should I do next to secure my account. And I saw that although everything was working, my daughter's Gmail account was not recovered. I asked about it, told them that the family group was deleted and the email was also deleted. I asked how to recover it, but they told that this was not possible, that I should sign up with a different email address. Nevertheless, this wasn't the biggest issue for me. My Google account, along with my premium services, was recovered and my YouTube channels were hijacked and I got them back. All these issues were solved. Now to sum it up, for me the quickest way was just go to the Twitter and ask for the help from the team YouTube. This was the quickest way, and this is also something I would suggest you to use first. Wait! If you find this tutorial helpful, then press thumbs up, this one here, and take a look at this side of the screen. It contains 2 good videos. I think you may find them useful. Meanwhile, take care. Bye.